Focus and respect your talent. Everybody has a different talent and potential, and the reason why we all are always messed up is because we all are looking at other people's talent and potential. We don't only stop here, but also feeling jealous. We keep on wishing we had some of their talent and skills. All the energy and time we spend on thinking and wishing. Instead, all our time and energy should be focused on identifying our own talent, skills, potentials, expertise, and more important, to accept it and respect it, polish it, and use it in a positive and true manners, so that other people not only recognize our talent but accept it and respect it. Please come back, focus and respect your own talent. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share the channel.